Hey, thanks for coming back to the channel. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can keep up with me. You know, if the RC stuff is in your favorites. And today, we're doing something just a little different. I'm not going to do any bashing or anything like that. Not going to do any repairs. I'm actually going to do an unboxing and review. And this one's all about getting in a hobby with less than $200. Let's see how things go. Alright, now, here's what I got for you guys. This is the Outlaw Renegade. This was, at the time of this filming, is $169.99 plus tax. It's 1/10 scale, put out by Kyosho. Not bad. Let's see what this thing looks like. I ain't even looked at this thing yet. Let's see. It comes ready to run. Receiver, transmitter, charger. Looks like it comes with a Dean's. That's excellent. Little brush system. 2-wheel drive. Not too bad. And they even told me this thing is actually capable of brushless out of the box with no upgrades. Not too shabby. First time I've got to take a look at this truck. Let's see what we have here. Typical, you get your book, owner's manual. Gonna have to read up on this one. See how everything is. Oil filled shocks, nice. My wife actually picked this color out. Got a blue one. You see, I ain't even opened this box up yet, guys. Let's see what we have here. Look at that. It's a nice little truck. I kind of like that body style. Looks like an old Chevy. Looks like. What do we have here? In with the body. Oh, nice. You can change the grill. Check this out. Grill you can put round lights in. And it looks like it's set up for a light kit as well. Nice. Headlight buckets. Very nice. You can either have that style headlights or the round. I like that. They give you a choice. Very good. I like that a lot. Let's get the truck out of here. Forgot how to open it. Nice bubble wrap. They try to protect it very well. I like that. That's cool. Front independent. Looks like a Desert Runner. Oil filled shocks. That's nice. This is what I like about it. It's actually got a straight axle rear. 4-link. That's probably going to be very nice. Very, very nice. Dean's plug. I like that a lot. So far this thing's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got here. The box. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, I need a knife, don't I? I got one of those. Just be careful, don't cut yourself. See what the controller looks like here. Oh wow, this actually got quite a bit of stuff on it. Look at that. Throttle trim, steering dual rate. Got throttle expo, throttle reverse, same as the steering. Nice. This is a 3-channel radio. They even put the steering on an angle for you to make it a little bit easier. Nice. Very nice. 4 AA batteries. See what else is in our little box of goodies. It's like this might be the charger right here. Yeah, charger. Very cool. And let's see. It comes with a 1800 nickel hydride battery. Might have to see if I can put LiPo in this one. 7.2 volts. We'll have to run it, just see how it is. What else do we have? Don't need that box. Oh man, they must have known. Body mounts. Send you new body post. More your rear axle, your little axle hangers. Different for the shocks. Wheel key and some Allens. Body clips. Bind plug if you need it. Man, they put this truck all together nicely, didn't they? See what this thing looks like. Let's get rid of all this stuff. Let me get you guys an up close picture. Thing's very nice. What do you guys think? Think this thing's gonna be a blast or what? See, I like it. You've got solid straight axle on the rear, axle on motor, or motor on axle. I think that's going to be a blast. And this is supposed to be a short course truck. And it's got nice suspension. Guess we're going to find out how good it is. What do you guys think of the new kyosho or kyosho, however you guys want to pronounce it in your neck of the neighborhood? It's actually a pretty mean looking truck. You know, I want to do something a little bit different for you guys. But this thing, we're going to have to get this thing out on the trail at some point. Get out there, do a little bit of bashing with this truck. Before we change the motor, maybe I'll just leave that brush system in there, see how it goes. But this just shows you, you know, under $200, you can actually get out there and enjoy yourself with the hobby, and spend time with your mom, dad, or dads if you're out doing it. You see, I mean, the hobby's not that expensive. I mean, just check them out. I mean, I picked this up at my local hobby store. You know, I feel that I need to support my local hobby stores as much as I can. So, ended up buying this one, and I think it's a great addition to my collection. We're going to see, though, once I take it out there and see how it works. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it's actually a good vehicle. And if it is, I'm definitely going to recommend it. But as I see right now, I'm going to recommend it because it's a nice truck. Looks real nice. I like the body style. Body looks real clean. The truck itself looks like it's well built. Looks like they did a good job with everything. Wires are nicely stashed away. I mean, I think this is all in all going to be pretty cool. No, really kind of want to check out that motor. See if I can actually put a brushless system in there. My hobby store says that it's out of the box. I can put a brushless system on here with 0 upgrades. So, gonna have to check that out. We're gonna try this first. So, until next time, go outside, enjoy yourself, have fun with the hobby, because you know I'm going to. No, hit that subscribe button, guys. If you like this video, if this is something you guys like, pay attention up at that corner up there. Check out my latest videos. Do me a favor. Thanks for checking in with me. So, have fun, enjoy. God bless you.